China Food TV. China Broadcast and TV Culture Qingdao Co., Limited Qingdao Yan Dian Zhōngshì Wénhuà Yǒuxiàngōngsī Qingdao Guǎngdiàn Zhōngshì Wénhuà Yǒuxiàngōngsī is a television production company in China. It operates China Food TV CFTV S, Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào T, Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào P, Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào, a digital pay television channel focusing on cooking shows. The corporate headquarters is in Office 214, Building G3 of the South City Software Park Shìnán Ruǎnjiànyuán Shìnán Ruǎnjiànyuán in Qingdao, Shandong.China Food TV is aired nationally across mainland China, and the CFTV company is the largest food show production agency in mainland China. The CFTV company produces about 60 minutes of self-made food shows daily. Édouard Cointreau serves as the honorary president of CFTV. History. The CFTV company, a joint stock and program operating company, was established on January 18, 2001. The Qingdao Broadcast and Television Bureau Qingdao Yan Bo Dian Shiju Qingdao Guangbo Dian Shiju invested in CFTV during its structural reformation. The first show produced by the company was the Mainland-style banquet, which was broadcast on China Central Television CCTV and Qingdao TV. In April 2005, the State Administration of Radio, Film, and Television SARFT permitted the company to establish its own national pay television cable channel. The channel was officially launched on November 8, 2005. As of 2009, the channel is one of 12 Chinese pay television channels which a consumer may watch for free for 2 months after he/she upgrades his/her top box set. China Food TV sponsors the Mid-Autumn Food Festival and the Sino-German Food Dialogue, 2 events that occur during the Asia-Pacific Week's German ASEAN-Pacific Wochen APW celebration in Berlin, Germany. Programs. The first show produced by the company was the Manhan-style banquet Manhan Quanzai Manhan Quangxi, referring to the Manchu Han Imperial Feast, which was broadcast on China Central Television CCTV and Qingdao TV. China Food TV and China Central Television had jointly organized the program and released many derivative products. For instance, they used leftovers from the Manhan Quangxi shooting process so they could create teaser trailer programs. Therefore, the fame resulting in the brand effect would increase. China Food TV airs reruns of the programs and created recorded copies, compilations, and derivative books and video discs. For instance, China Food TV created Mary Yi Kai a dish every day and Manhan Quangxi Quangguo Bengren Dianshi Latai Sai Manchu Han Imperial Feast National Cooking Latai competition on television. Wang Kitai of the Teju Broadcast and Television Bureau said that the marketing took a 3-dimensional manner so brands could be marketed to domestic mainland Chinese audiences. Little Fatty's Food Diary Zhōnghuá Měishí Riji is a Chinese cooking show produced by China Food TV and hosted by Qian Zhaijun. The program began broadcast from a television station in Qingdao, Shandong on January 29, 2007. The show's production was scheduled for 365 episodes. 52 guests were scheduled to appear on the program with Qian. Qian attended the contract signing ceremony in Qingdao on January 29, 2007. Around that period, Qian recorded 2 special programs which were broadcast on China Food TV and the Manhan Quangxi Food Entertainment website. The program aired on mainland Chinese televisions. The program was also broadcast on Sohu, one of China's major web portals. China Food TV USA, Qingdao World Channel Inc., and CFTV partnered To establish China Food TV USA CFTV USAT, Meizhu Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào, S. Meizhu Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào, P. Meizhu Zhōnghuá Měishí Píndào, a 24-hour Chinese food cooking network in the United States. It was scheduled to begin on February 1, 2011, coinciding with the Chinese New Year period. The programming airs in New York City, Los Angeles, the San Francisco Bay Area, and the Sacramento Valley. The operating company, World Channel Inc., has its offices in Brisbane, California. In the San Francisco Bay Area, the programming airs on digital channel KMTP 32. 2. In Sacramento, it airs locally on station KBTV CD8. 1, which is a Crossings TV affiliate. Crossings TV is also aired throughout the Central Valley of California on Comcast Channel 238 and in Greater New York City as Time Warner Cable Channel 503. In the Los Angeles area, CFTV USA airs on digital channel KNLA 20. 3. People not living in the New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Sacramento areas may watch CFTV USA through IPTV. The programming is in Mandarin and Cantonese. The programming includes Manhan Style Banquet and Little Fatty's Food Diary.